My name is Lani. I'm a mother, I'm a wife, I'm a daughter, and I love to dance. I love salsa most. It's a very vibrant and it's a very energetic dance. I get to express myself through movement. I can't believe that this artificial hip is what allows me to pursue my passion in life, which is dance. Walking was a very difficult chore for me. I'd have to stop maybe every 200 meters, so I would have to hobble around for a few minutes before I could walk normally. That went on for a while, and finally I thought I'd better consult someone about it. The doctor told me I had congenital bilateral hip dysplasia. He said I already had osteoarthritic changes in my right hip. I also had a tear in the cartilage. The worst of it was, oh, you'll have to have a hip replacement. I consulted 4 surgeons all in all. Each of them, I showed them a video clip of my dancing. So I said, this is how I dance. And post-op, I want to be able to dance like this again. Can I?
I met Lani a year ago and she told me that she likes dancing. I didn't realize how serious she was about her dancing until she showed me a video clip of her at one of her performances. And then I realized this was a patient that's very different, a patient that was what we call a high-performance patient. For enhanced stability and a wide range of motion in a hip joint, you need a large femoral ball. And for low wear rates, it has to be a hard bearing. So in order to fit such a hard bearing couple with a large femoral head in a small petite frame, then it looks like it has to be a ceramic on metal bearing.
I was dancing again by 8 weeks post-op, and that was, yes, I was like so happy because I never expected to be able to do that in such a short period. At 14 weeks, I did my first performance, and now I'm almost a year to the post-op date, and I've recovered, I think, about 95% of my range of motion, so it's more than I could ever hope for, and I'm very, very pleased.
Well, at 14 weeks to do that is very amazing. And I think the main reason is Lani herself, because she's basically a competitive dancer. She's got very strong muscles and she's very motivated. But pairing her with a hip bearing that has enhanced stability, I think that gave her the confidence to go back into those kind of activities at a much faster rate than would with other systems.
A good partner keeps you balanced. Gives you the confidence to spin across the floor and do all the complicated movements, and keeps you moving. So as it turns out, what I really appreciate about my hip replacement is the same thing that I love about salsa. Because when you have a good partner, that's when you really free yourself to move. And now that I can dance again, when will I stop? Never.